Today we are doing a very non-technical review of this Silk Rainbow PLA filament. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So we used this silk filament in our Bamboo Labs printer, and we printed this beautiful dice tower. Ooh, we're gonna put it in the sun so you can really see those colors pop. Look at that. So this is a silk filament, and you can see how it looks shiny, almost metallic-like. Makes a really pretty shine. The dogs are very interested in it, and they think that it is food. And of course we did a dice tower just for fun, but we really printed this so you guys could see the different transition of the colors throughout this. This is stunning. This filament worked great in our Bamboo Labs printer, and I'm really happy with the color on it. Really love how it turned out. Would make some really cute little 3D prints if you were looking for something that is pretty fast color changing. Again, you can see we printed one of these on the plate, and you can see how much of a change there was from here to here. So if you had a whole bunch of things on a plate, it's going to change a little bit faster. We also did not a really dense infill on this because we wanted to kind of let those colors really show. But if you're looking for a really fun, easy to use rainbow silk PLA, we recommend this.